Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Eira Thomas. She is the president and CEO of Lucara Diamond. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is LUC on the TSX, and Lucara will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please visit precioussummit.com. And with that, Eira, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
I'm great. Thanks, Robert. Good to be here.
Good to have you. So it's been about a year since the last time we did an interview together, but before we get into the updates and everything like that, for those that don't know the Lucara Diamond story yet or haven't seen any of our interviews, can you give us that quick overview of the company?
Sure. Well, we are actually celebrating our 10th year of continuous operations at our 100% owned Karowe Diamond Mine, which is situated in north central Botswana. And this mine has become world-renowned for its production of very large, high-value white diamonds. And so we are excited to be celebrating that milestone. And as part of our ongoing strategy with this company, we are looking forward to an exciting expansion opportunity, namely expanding our mine underground. We're currently investing $500 million to extend our mine life from 2023 out to at least 2040, with the potential for extending it beyond that.
So you kind of alluded to my next question there a little bit. So, like I said, the last time we did an interview together, we published that on August 17, 2021. What would you say are some of the company's highlights or milestones achieved in the last 12 months?
It's been an important year for Lucara. Not only have we fully financed our underground expansion, we've seen a complete transformation of the diamond market. We've gone from a really challenging business environment to the best diamond market that we've seen in about a decade. So super excited to be investing in our future, and our revenues are up considerably year over year. And in fact, in Q2, they were up again, another 13%. We generated revenues of over $52 million. So the company is really trending and tracking very well over the last 12 months.
So I have to ask, that's a pretty big statement that you made about this being, one of the best diamond markets you've seen in a long time. I have to understand why.
It's fundamentally down to the fact that the global supply of natural rough diamonds is on a big decline. A lot of the world's leading world-class diamond mines are heading into their sunset years, and we don't have any major new discoveries that can really fill that supply shortfall. So we are in a situation where demand is outstripping supply, and we expect it to continue that way for many, many years.
And for those that, aren't as familiar with the diamond industry or diamond mining, really, it's not like it's gold or silver where you can or even some other commodities that, it's kind of global. There's other places around the world. Diamond, there's just not a lot of potential mines out there, right?
There really aren't. It's a very challenging commodity to explore for, and we've been under-investing in diamond exploration for many, many years now. The last major discoveries were in Canada, in the late 1990s, and we just have not seen a concerted effort to explore for diamonds, owing to the fact that the diamond price has been somewhat volatile. But all of that has really, built now up some, pent up demand, I guess I would say, for the commodity. That what we've seen in the last few years is that we just cannot meet the growing demand for natural diamonds. The U.S. continues to be a very strong driver in diamond prices, but we're also seeing, global demand, which is important.
And another question for those that may not, be as well aware of the diamond industry. Diamonds are more than just for jewelry and whatnot. It has other more utilitarian applications as well, correct?
It does indeed, but the value, the value really is in gem diamonds. So the jewelry industry does account for about, more than 95% of the real value of global diamond trade. And more than 50% of that demand for diamond jewelry is actually coming out of the US. And the US continues to be very focused on diamond jewelry as a luxury commodity. And in fact, during the pandemic, we saw an increase in demand for diamond jewelry, largely owing to the fact that it was difficult to spend money on things like luxury vacations. So, diamond jewelry was really a go-to. And that, combined with the fact that diamond jewelry has always represented something very special for the consumer. This is, a purchase that you make to commemorate life's most important moments. And I think during the pandemic, we all become very focused on those important moments, and diamond jewelry was a way to commemorate that, where people felt confident in their ability to invest in diamonds as something that would retain value and be treasured for many generations to come.
Absolutely. All right. Well, to close us out here today, from what you can tell us, and specifically having to do with the news that, you're investing $500 million in more underground mining, where are we at in that process? Have the drill rigs already started? Love to know more there.
We're well on our way. We're actually more than 18 months into a 5-year build. We're about $125 million spent, but we're well over $200 million committed on our $540 or so million budget. And it's going really well. We're super excited. I was in Botswana last week, tracking our progress, and went underground. We're basically sinking twin shafts down to 800 meters depth. That will allow us to access the most valuable part of the ore body early in the underground expansion mine life. And that allows us to pay back that capital in under 3 years. And as I said, it extends our mine life out to at least 2040, with the potential of going deeper beyond that. Karowe has produced 3 diamonds in excess of 1,000 carats in its 10-year history. That is a world record. And we are confident with this expansion that we will be recovering more of those exceptional diamonds in the future.
All right. Well, with that, Eira, where can our audience go and find more information on Lucara Diamond?
Well, we're certainly excited to be participating in the upcoming Beaver Creek Conference. And you can also please go to our website at www.lucaradiamond.com. Thank you very much, Robert.
Thank you, Eira. I really do appreciate you taking the time with us today. Good luck, stay safe, and I'll see you in Beaver Creek.
Sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Again, Lucara Diamond will be presenting at the upcoming Precious Metal Summit Beaver Creek, happening September 13th through 16th, 2022. For more information, please go to precioussummit.com.